It's like an hour drive, kind of sucks. So, you know, I'm hoping this car I could get it for the low. Make a right, bro. Make a right. Man, we almost missed our exit, guys. Because, you know, don't smoke and drive, guys. We did not do that, all right? Not gonna lie, it looks kind of sketchy out here. Literally in the middle of nowhere. And I guess on Google Maps it's like an abandoned barn. Yeah, it's crazy, huh? Nah, I'm just joking, guys. I'm just joking. Nah, we're almost there though. This is the car we're in. It needs a lot of work. Check engine light, of course. Has major backfire on it. Not sure if I'm gonna buy it. Not for how much he's asking, because it is gonna need work. But my friend's gonna drive it back because he wants to, I'm very sure, smash in it. But here we go, guys. But let me put on my seatbelt. Don't crash, bro, please. I do not want to buy this shit. Me either. It sounds like it's gonna need axles, or that may be the exhaust. Just watch out with them dips. Take the same street. See, I don't like that high rev.
There's something wrong.
You know, easy there, Toretto. Easy there. I'm not gonna lie. This car has potential, bro. It's quick for the horsepower that it says that it has. It's pretty quick, in my opinion. Does it need work? Yes, it does need work. Is this riced out? Yes, it is riced out. I don't think it's worth it, and I'm willing to walk back empty-handed. You get what I'm saying? Because for another, the window doesn't work. What happens if the car catches on fire and I'm pinned in? And I can't get out the window because I didn't fix it in time. I'm just talking shit, guys. It does need a hood. It does, in my opinion, ride good. So if you want to drop a gear so you can, you know, you can before we get there closer.
One eternity later.
I wouldn't even want to drop gears in this yet.
I'm not trying to spend so much and then invest so much time in it. We have to consider that part, bro. You know? That's the part that I consider. But we'll keep you guys posted and see what we do if we get this car or not. I didn't like it, so I'm not gonna buy it. I felt like for how much he was asking and plus how much I needed to invest in it was not gonna be worth it. So now I'm heading back, which is not a problem because I am patient. I'll wait. The right project car will come along at a perfect price. Key is patience. That's what it is. Key is patience. Remember that, bro. Key is patience. Facts. All right, bro. We out. Later. Dang, she looking clean though.
Heck yeah.
Well, she's dirty, but she clean.